Hello everyone. Last session we see how to install MySQL Server and Workbench. In today's session we see how to set up connection in Workbench. Select Workbench. Here we need to set up a new connection. Click on it. Mention connection name my local server. You can mention any valid connection name. Okay. So port number is 3306. This is by default port number. Username is root. So just mention a password. At the time of installation we mention a password or set a password root. So insert password root. Select OK. Text connection. Yes, your connection is successfully created. Okay, select OK. Here click on connection. Yes, workbench is open and your connection successfully created. Let's execute some statements. Show databases, execute. Yes, your connection is successfully created. Thank you.